Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to play the Among Us theme on piano. We'll start with the main melody, focusing on the right hand. Find middle C, then locate the notes for the iconic opening phrase. Play these 5 notes slowly, paying close attention to the rhythm and timing. This foundational part sets the mood for the entire piece, so getting it right is crucial for a recognizable sound. Practice this section until it feels comfortable and smooth. Now, let's add the left hand to provide a simple, yet effective, bass line. This will give the melody a fuller, more complete sound. The left hand typically plays single notes or basic chords that complement the right hand's melody. Practice coordinating both hands, starting very slowly. Focus on the transitions between notes and chords, ensuring they flow together seamlessly. This step brings depth to the theme. Once you've mastered the main melody and basic harmony, it's time to expand the theme. The Among Us music has several distinct sections that build upon each other. Learn these secondary phrases, paying attention to how they connect. Try adding dynamics, playing some parts softer and others louder to give your performance more expression. Don't be afraid to experiment with tempo. Find a speed that feels right for you and the mood of the game. To truly master the Among Us theme, consistent practice is key. Use a metronome to keep your rhythm steady and precise. If you encounter a challenging section, break it down and practice it slowly, hands separately, then together. Remember, patience is vital for progress. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routines, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Keep practicing, and you'll be playing like a pro in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.